are delicious food.
This is Unit 1, First Standard, Term 2, Environmental Science. Okay, here is a poem on the importance of food. So, rhyme time: food, food, food. It keeps me good. Grains and vegetables, fruits and nuts, fish and eggs, milk and meat. I need them, I eat them to grow and become strong. I need them, I eat them to work and play. I need them, need them all. Okay, let us discuss what food items do you eat daily. So, all of us need food to live. Food gives us energy to work and play. We eat a variety of food items every day. Some of them are given below. Now, here we have some fruits and vegetables: guava, carrot. We have some nuts: groundnut. We have idli, vada, dosa, full meals. Then here we have some energy giving food like ragi balls, rice, chapati. Then we have milk. As we all know, milk is a healthy drink. It helps our teeth and bone strong. Then we have pulses, meat, fish and egg which help us to grow. Last but not least, we have nuts, fruits and vegetables which keeps us healthy and protect us from diseases. Match the given parts with the appropriate vegetable. Here is an uh, activity. So the first color is purple, which goes for eggplant or brinjal. The second one is orange, goes for carrot. The third one is green, dark green for capsicum. The fourth is the light green for cabbage. Next we have a red for tomato. Then we have beetroot, red for beetroot, and last we have dark green for pumpkin. Okay, next we are talking about combination of food. So our food is combination of milk, meat, fish, eggs, fruits, vegetables, flowers, grains, nuts, oils and ghee. Grains. In grains, they have given us cereals and pulses. Now, for cereals, examples are rice, wheat, ragi, corn. For pulses, examples are pigeon pea, green gram, black gram, and chickpea. Let's talk about water. Water is very essential for our body to be healthy. So we need to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Here is an activity wherein we have to write F for fruits, V for vegetable, P for pulse, C for cereal and N for nuts. Now first is cashew nut, so it's a nut. Second is chickpea, it's a pulses. And then we have bitter gourd vegetable, ragi cereal, apple fruits, green peas pulses, badam nuts, corn vegetable. We have grapes, fruits and brinjal vegetable. Now here out of rice what and all dishes can be prepared. So there are lot of examples. You can make your child study any three, that's more than enough. So easy ones you can pick and choose and make them study. And then again with wheat what we can prepare, here there are four items. Make a child study any three out of them. And out of fish what we can do, so here there is fry and curry which can be easy for them to remember. Okay, here we have circled the food items made with wheat. So we have already circled the answer. They have given options like idli, puri, rice, upma, bread, dosa, chapati, appam. So the answers are puri, wheat bread and chapati. Now we have ticked puri because we usually use wheat to make puris. Sometimes we make use of maida also. So we have ticked the puri because we usually make them with wheat. Then we have healthy food items. So there are some food items which can be eaten regularly because they are termed as healthy food. So examples are given idli, wheat bread, groundnut candy and sprouted grains. At the same time, there are snacks which can be eaten once in a while and in small quantity because they are either fried or they are very sweet. Lots of sugar has been used. For example, gulab jamun, laddu, muruk, chips. And then there are some snacks which are not really good for us at all. So basically, we should say no to them, or if you want to eat them, it has to be eaten very, very occasionally. Then examples given here are biscuits, white bread and ice cream. Again, maida noodles, soft drinks and chocolates. So these are food items which are not good for our health. So it has to be used only for special occasions. Then we have here sweets. Many of us like sweets. So there are two kind of sweets. Some can be prepared with jaggery and some can be prepared with sugar. So sweets made with jaggery are good, better for health. Here they have given some examples like payasam, sesame balls, atirasam, groundnut balls, laddu, rasgulla, and so on. Steamed food items and sprouted grains are healthy for us. So example is idli, rice balls and idiyappam and puttu. These are most of all of them are steamed items. So these are better for our health. Then here we have some items which we should avoid eating. When we look at this picture, most of them are fried items. But from that, we have chosen few which we really need to avoid on a regular basis, like chips, noodles, maida noodles, chocolates, and ice creams. The rest of them are also, they are not very healthy, but comparingly, the most avoidable items we have circled. Okay, here we have healthy eating habits. I think this is a very important topic. Our kids should know about this. So we need to wash our hands before and after eating. We need to sit together and eat. And when we are eating, we shouldn't talk. And we have to chew our food very well and do not spill food while eating and avoid watching TV or using mobile phones while eating. Then do not overeat. So we should limit ourselves and when we feel full, we need to stop eating. Then after we finish eating, rinse our mouth after every meal. But we should make sure to teach our kids not to waste food. Always wash fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Stale food makes you sick, so we should avoid old food and which was kept outside for a long time. And we should make sure the food is not kept uncovered because it will contain dust and germ. So always we need to cover the food. Okay, here we have an activity which says Color the circle green for the do's and red for the don'ts. So the first picture is maintaining hygiene while eating. So it is green. The second one is overstuffing the mouth. It's red. The third one is eating out from the kept open food. So that is a red. The next one is wasting food, again red. Washing hands before and after food is a good habit. Eating junk food is a bad habit. Okay, here we have journey of rice. The story of rice begin with the farmer plowing the field. Observe the pictures and see how the food comes to our plates. Always respect the food and its producer, the farmer. Offer prayers before eating your food. So the first step of cultivation of rice is uh, plowing and then sowing, then transplanting the seedlings. Then there are different stages in the growth of paddy crop. And once the paddy is ready, then we have harvesting, threshing, winnowing, drying. Once the paddy is dried, it is stored in the storage rooms, and from there it goes to the mill for milling, and then we buy it from the stores, we cook it, and then we eat it. Circle the flowers that we can eat. Here there are two. One is banana flower and the other one is cauliflower. Then connect the dishes with their main ingredients. Here there are three main ingredients. One is rice, second is fish, and then we have eggs. So with the fish we can make fish fry and fish curry. With the rice we can make congee, appam, puttu, dosa, idli, and with the eggs we can have egg curry and egg fry. Let's move on to find the odd one. The first one is pomegranate is the odd one because brinjal and carrot are vegetables, whereas pomegranate is a fruit. Second is beetroot, the odd one because grape and papaya are fruits, whereas beetroot is vegetable. Then we have two types of dal and then we have wheat. So wheat is odd one because it's a cereal. The other two are pulses. Then we have two types of nuts and corn. So corn is the odd one because groundnut and badam are nuts. Then we have ragi and rice and dal. So dal is the odd one out because the rest two are cereals. Then we have cashew nut, green peas and chickpeas. Cashew nut is the odd one because the rest two are pulses. Then reach out from the bad habit to the good habit by drawing a line. So the first one is talking and playing while eating. The proper is sitting nicely and eating without talking. The second one is spilling the food when you are eating. It's a bad habit. The good habit is maintaining cleanliness when eating. The third one is watching TV while eating. The actual good habit is sitting nicely in a place and eating the food without watching the television.